What's up, guys? This is pumpkin pie blizzard from Dairy Queen. Small size. I should have got the mini. Prende el feliz. But yeah, I think this is my favorite blizzard. I get it every year for the fall. First time I tried this is when I worked at the mall. I used to work at the Walden Galleria Mall. I used to be that guy like pushing the cart around, you know, sweeping and mopping. I had my walkie-talkie. If anybody spilled, they'd be like, there's a spill over here in front of Macy's. It was a cool job though. I used to like, you know, chilling in the air conditioner, walking around. My legs used to be so tired in the beginning. Woo! But yeah, I remember I tried this back in this was like maybe, I don't know, 10 years ago. And I fell in love with it. I went to, where did I go the other day? I went to Wendy's the other day and tried pumpkin spice frosty, but it wasn't all that. And that's what actually made me want to get one of these, because I was like, man, it wasn't the same. Yeah, this is fire. I just came from Korean restaurant. Just had Korean food for like the third time. They don't have much dessert there, so come over here. If y'all never had Korean food, y'all sleeping. About to take my mom some food. About to get her a couple burgers, a couple chili dogs. Get my grandma a fish sandwich. Shout out to Rav though, my broski. All is well, man. I know we haven't spoke for a while on the phone, but you know, just been that busy. You know, once my bro, always my bro. You know what I mean? I just don't want you to, you know, don't get it twisted, cause you're stuck with me for life. Gotta slow it down though. Get that chest freeze. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna get off of here. I don't know what else to say. I'll talk to y'all later though. Peace out. All I wanna say is that they don't really care about us. I'll see y'all maybe, I don't know. I need to go live. I haven't went live in a few weeks. Maybe next week, I'm not sure. Can't make no promises. I don't think too many people miss me out there on the YT streets though. You know, a lot of fake love out there, but it's all good. Cause you know what's good about fake love? It makes you appreciate the real love even more. Facts. Bang, bang.